Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic of lecture is molecular mass and formula mass. Before starting our today's lecture, practice problem 1.2 given on page number 20. These two problems are your homework, students, and these are related with your previous lecture. Watch your previous lecture carefully. In case of any difficulty, let me know, I will explain it to you. Formula unit. Before starting our today's lecture, we have to understand this topic given on book page number 22, formula unit. Formula unit is actually the simplest ratio of oppositely charged ions that are present that represent unit of ionic compound. Now, first of all, we are going to define ion. An ion is a particle that carries positive or negative charge, mean it has either positive or negative charge. Now, example, sodium chloride, NaCl. NaCl is its symbolic representation. Now, ratio is equal to 1:1 means that we have Na is equal to 1 means sodium, 1 atom of sodium combined with 1 atom of chlorine gives us NaCl. Now, Na has positive charge while Cl chlorine has negative charge. Now, this NaCl is known as formula unit of sodium chloride. Now, practice problem 1.2. These two parts are related to your current topic. A is Hg2Cl2 means that we have two atoms of Hg and Cl has always two atoms. Now, ratio of this compound is 2:2. Similarly, MgCl2 is again solved by the same method. Part B and C of practice problem 1.2 are your homework. Try to solve them. If you face difficulty, then let me know. Now, the main topic of today's lecture is molecular mass and formula mass given on book page number 23. First of all, we are going to discuss molecular mass. The sum of relative atomic masses of different atoms present inside a molecule is known as molecular mass. For example, we have a compound named ethane. Its molecular formula is C2H6, means 2 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. Atomic mass of carbon is 12, while atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So, the molecular mass formula is equal to 2 multiplied by mass of carbon plus 6 multiplied by mass of hydrogen. This 2 shows 2 atoms of carbon while 6 shows 6 atoms of hydrogen present in that ethane compound. After putting values and doing some mathematical calculations, we get molecular mass of ethane is equal to 30 atomic mass unit. Formula mass is actually the sum of atomic masses of ions present in formula unit of compound. Again, we have an example of sodium chloride. Mass of sodium is 23 atomic mass unit, while mass of chlorine is 35.5 atomic mass unit. Students, remember that these masses of different elements or compounds is fixed. I mean, they are measured by scientists. In case of any difficulty, you should buy a periodic table. It will help you a lot. Now, ratio of sodium chloride, as we have studied in previous topic, is equal to 1:1. After putting masses of sodium and chloride in the formula mass, in that formula, we get 58.5 atomic mass unit is actually the formula mass of sodium chloride. Now, example 1.2 is related to that topic. we have to find out the formula mass of two different compounds. One is ammonium sulfite and the other one is iron 2 nitrate. Now students, this small 2 outside that parenthesis bracket is actually in multiplication form with nitrogen and hydrogen. First of all, you will know this concept. 2 multiplied by n gives us 2n. 2 multiplied by 4h gives us 8h, while S has 1 atom and O oxygen has 3 atom. Now again 14, 1, 32, 16 atomic mass units are actually the masses of the nitrogen, hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen respectively. So after mathematical calculation we get the formula masses of nitrogen, hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen respectively. Now we want to find out the formula mass of this compound named ammonium sulfite. So putting these in that formula or simply adding all these atomic masses of these elements nitrogen, hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen, we get 116 atomic mass unit. Similarly, after doing mathematics in that second part of example 1.2, we get 180 atomic mass unit is actually the formula mass of iron 2 nitrate compound. Students, practice problem 1.4. Calculate the formula mass of KCl means potassium chloride and Na2CO3 is another compound. This is your homework. Try to solve it and let me know.